Today is going to be a great day, and I greet today with calmness and confidence. I am healthy, happy, and secure, knowing that I have everything I need to solve any challenges that arise. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful, forever grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that is. My gratitude is extended to God above, who wakes me up each morning to see a new day. I will make good choices using my inner wisdom and will inspire those around me to do something wonderful. I inhale confidence and exhale doubt. I believe in myself every fibre of my being. I greet the morning sun, knowing that wonderful opportunities lie ahead of me today, and I will embark on a beautiful adventure, giving thanks and praise. I will not be silent. I feel positive in every cell of my body. Good things will come easily and freely to me today. I will attract a deeper love for myself. I choose to fill my mind with positive and nourishing thoughts. I can handle anything that comes my way. I am more than a conqueror. My life is filled with success and love. I am limited by nothing and have unlimited potential. I choose peace and harmony as my way of life, and good things will flow into my life today. I decree and declare that I will attract success, abundance, and well-being, and everything I touch will work out to my highest good. I am in full control of my life and enjoy every aspect of it. My day is filled with love and prosperity. I am at peace with the world, and my relationships with those I love are constantly strengthening. I wake up every day with a deep sense of peace and love, knowing that wonderful things will be happening to me today. I welcome today with open arms. I will spread and attract love everywhere I go, and have total confidence in my ability to achieve anything I put my mind to. I am so happy and grateful now that I am blessed and successful, and that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. I am unstoppable force. I am capable of achieving anything.